Welcome, everybody. This is Joel, your instructor. I just wanted to take a few moments of your time to clarify some of the different concepts that we're trying to learn in this week's assignment. Those being both separating the first name from the last name in Excel, and then sorting by high score from highest and then to lowest. So what I'll do is I'll demonstrate the concepts that are going to be required in the assignment and give you a visual of it to try and help you with the manipulating data in Excel assignment. So here we go. So what we have here is our original data, okay? And what we're trying to do is two things. One is we're trying to separate the first name from the last name into different columns. So what we're going to do is we're going to use text to columns, okay? And to do that, we simply just highlight our column here, and then we hit text to columns up here, and then we're going to delimit using spaces. So we leave it at delimited, hit next, and what you'll see here is an option to select your delimiter. We're going to select space, and what you'll see is it breaks it down and shows you how it's going to look in the different columns. So then you hit next, and now it'll give you an overall view and let you look at the format. Then you'll hit finish here, and you'll see it's separated both the first name and the last name. So then what we'll want to do is we'll want to go in here and rename these columns. Okay, first name, and then last name. Having some issues typing there, sorry. Okay, and then we'll want to make sure that all the columns are visible. So we'll highlight them all and then just double click them. And that should give us, whoops, somehow I've got the last name in the wrong column there. So let me fix that. And now we've accomplished one of the two things that we're trying to do in the assignment. We have the first name and the last name separated. Okay, the last part of the assignment is now we need to sort all of these rows by the highest score. Okay, and to do that, we highlight the data and the columns we want to sort. Okay, and then we go over here to our sort option. And since we are going to sort by highest score, we'll select it first, okay? And you have an option here to select my data has headers, and all that does is it either brings in the name of the headers or you'll just have to sort by the column letter. We want to keep the headers because it makes it easier, right? So when we hit this drop down, we'll see that we want to sort by high score. We want to do smallest to largest. No, we know our assignment calls for largest to smallest, okay? And so what we got is now all of our users sorted by their highest score from top to bottom. Okay, now if we wanted to take this a step further and do a second level of sorting, which isn't required in the assignment, but it is good to know, is if you highlight your columns again that you want to sort, and you go into the sort option, and you can add a level. And so at this point, we want to do the highest score as the first filtering criteria or first sorting criteria. And then secondly, we'll do last name. So we can add last name, and we'll do A to Z. And so then there we go. All right, very easy to understand when you get to see it. I know that's different than just reading the assignment instructions. So hopefully this helps you and provides clarification around the assignment. I'm also going to provide some links to some videos that will also help you with sorting data in Excel and manipulating data in Excel. Hope this was helpful. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me if it wasn't or if you need further assistance. Talk to you soon. Take care.